Understanding Mood Tracker, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, mood tracker. This term is becoming increasingly popular, and it's important to understand what it means and how it's used. Let's dive into the world of mood tracking together. A mood tracker is a tool or method used to record and analyze a person's emotional state over time. It can be a physical diary, a digital app, or even a simple chart. By keeping track of their moods, individuals can gain insights into their emotional patterns and triggers. Mood tracking serves several purposes. It helps people identify patterns in their emotions, understand what influences their mood, and can be an effective tool for managing mental health. It encourages self-reflection and mindfulness, and can be a helpful resource in therapy or personal growth journeys. Using a mood tracker typically involves recording your mood at regular intervals, like daily or weekly. You note down how you feel, possibly rating your mood on a scale, and might also jot down events or activities that could have influenced your mood. Over time, these entries create a detailed picture of your emotional well-being. Mood tracking has several benefits. It can improve self-awareness, help in managing stress or anxiety, and assist in identifying triggers for certain emotions. For those undergoing therapy, it can provide valuable insights to discuss with a therapist. There are many types of mood trackers available, from simple journals to sophisticated mobile apps. When choosing one, consider factors like ease of use, privacy, and whether you prefer writing by hand or using digital tools. We hope this video has helped you understand what a mood tracker is and how it can be beneficial in your daily life. Whether you're looking to manage stress, understand yourself better, or just curious about your emotional patterns, mood tracking can be a valuable tool. Remember, self-awareness is the first step to personal growth. Stay positive and keep tracking your mood for a healthier, happier you.